Everyone, welcome back to English Talks. I'm Sonu.
And I'm Monu. Today, we are going to practice some essential English sentences in a question and answer format.
Let's get started. What are you eating?
I'm eating a sandwich.
Are you free this evening?
No, I have some work to do.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking with my family.
Did you complete your homework?
Yes, I finished it last night.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Can you help me with this math problem?
Sure. Let's solve it together.
Where are we going tomorrow?
We are going to the zoo.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading mystery novels.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why are you laughing?
I just remembered a funny joke.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Aman.
Can I borrow your pen?
Of course, here you go.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I can cook simple dishes.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 15th July.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm planning to watch a movie.
Have you ever been to a beach?
Yes, I visited a beach last summer.
Do you like playing games on your phone?
Sometimes, but I prefer outdoor games.
How do you spend your free time?
I usually listen to music or draw.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak a little Spanish.
That's all for today. Practice these sentences and use them whenever you get a chance.
And don't forget to write your favorite question and answer in the comments below.
Make sure to subscribe to English Talks for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.
Bye, and happy learning!